Hey biscuits, how's your day going? I thought I would, do you mind if I scoot you back a little bit? There you go, that's better. I am gonna do some laundry folding. Oh my goodness. It piles up so fast. So I have not yet attempted that. I was trying this before, the one load of laundry a day where you gather it up, you wash it, you dry it, and you fold it all on the same day. Because it just doesn't seem like, so far from my schedule, if I'm being totally honest, that just doesn't work. Because I'll have time to like put on a load or dry a load, but I won't have time to do all of those things. So lately I have just been trying to match up my socks, and I have succeeded. I matched almost all of them, and lo and behold, I actually threw out the socks I could not match. I've been keeping on. Over a year. You biscuits have seen this in my chat and folds. Like over a year that I have been just keeping on to them. I'm like, no, the time has come. I need to relinquish the socks that really do just not have pairs anymore. So I think it was a good call. But I haven't yet tried that. Tell me in the comments, are you trying it all? Trying to do a load every day? I know it's like the Zen thing that helps everybody get their laundry done, but I, for the life of me, cannot, just can't manage to schedule that in. I still love these little meow meow socks. I would wear these totally if they fit me, like in a heartbeat. Oh, I love this shirt. This is in one of my Spooktober Instagram photos. It's like a blue shirt. You biscuits have probably seen. I've had it for a couple years. It's like a blue starry shirt. I love this thing. It is just super comfy. I wear it on airplanes when I travel because it is a great like tunic length kind of thing. And immensely unflattering in my opinion, but I still wear it just because I love it. How is your October week going? I'm kind of having the week from not the best place. Yeah, it's just a week that it's kicking my butt. Because like everything that I keep thinking I'm done doing on projects is all finished, like nothing's finishing up. It's just one of those constant things. I have also started, wild person that I am, throwing out really, really dirty, this doesn't even look as dirty on camera as it is in person, dirty cleaning rags and hand towels, because I started going through my collection of rags and stuff, and I was like, my God, some of this stuff is just gross, and I have bleached it, I've washed it with vinegar, you know, I've done all the stuff, and this is kind of the time of year now where I'm doing an autumn deep clean. So I've deep cleaned most of the rooms in the house. Next up is a deep clean of the garage, which I think the last deep clean I did was over a year ago, where I like really deep cleaned it. And now it's in for its next layer of deep clean, because it's just kind of become like a storage area. So I don't know if you have that area in your spots in your home where things just, like one room in your house or your garage or your shed or something just becomes like the store all. And then you can't end up finding things, is what I've discovered. And on top of that, you know, it's not like a useful, well-organized spot. So I'm going through that, clean it. I don't need to buy anything for that. I love things that don't cost any money for cleaning and organizing. I'm just going to go through it and basically, and I'll bring you along for this video, I'm basically just going to do like a super throwaway. I'm going to get, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 trash bags out. I'm just going to fill them in as my plan and do just a super clean on those, because honestly, it's what it needs. And I like showing you biscuits and bringing you along when I'm doing, things are falling over. They're falling over. When I'm doing a deep clean or a deep organize, it doesn't take like $500 in organizing equipment, because God knows I love following accounts that do home organization. Oh my goodness, all the dust. I don't know what's getting me, but something's making me cough today. Yeah, I love following all these home organization accounts. But man, when I actually go to look at how they're organizing stuff, it is easily $1,000 worth of products to get their house, just this one area in their house, to be organized. And this is true for like all the accounts I come across. So I try to show, you know, that you can get free boxes from Costco to organize, and you can just kind of organize what you've got. It doesn't have to be something that's like a price prohibitive point of your schedule, because I just think that's silly. It's so bougie that everybody has to buy all these things just to hold all their stuff in. I'm trying to be better about that. Oh my goodness, how do I never have enough hangers? I've done a closet deep dive, which I didn't film. I think I filmed one of those years ago. Yeah, I did a closet deep dive, like throwaway organized thing years and years ago. But I'll bring you along if I do kind of the second layer of that. I just didn't think to do it. And just kind of getting everything organized. Basically, before the holiday season, I want to have tossed, given away, regifted, organized, just all the stuff in the house that is making it feel cluttered or just that I don't need, you know? There's clothes I don't wear that maybe I don't fit anymore, or that just don't fit right on me. There are like DIY projects that I just never have gotten around to, and I do not see myself having the extra free time this winter to do them. So I think I'm gonna get rid of those. I'm probably, Biscuits, you remember when I had those cabinets taken down off the ceiling because they were like falling down? And I've kept them in the garage for almost a year now, saying I will fix them up and repaint them, and I will put them in the laundry room, and I'll have laundry counts. And I think I need to just like take off the little handles, because those I could use on another project at some point. They're small to store, and just like do a junk run. Tell me in the comments, or give thumbs up, whichever works for you. Would you like to come along if I do a junk run, or like see what I'm picking out and how I'm figuring out what goes? Because I'm actually making a pile where I'm just gonna do a big run to the dump, which I've never done. I know Rob took some of my stuff to the dump once for me. He took Abraham along, and Abraham talks about it so fun, like, oh, Rob got me lollipops at the dump, this is great. But I didn't go along because I was working. I was editing videos that day, so I feel like the time has come where I need to pony on up and just go to the dump and dump a lot of stuff, because it's gotten to a point where, like, okay, I'm like hoarding on to stuff, you know. I have an old bed frame that I'm never gonna put together, and I just need to like let it go. So I think part of this autumn deep clean motivation has been to just let go of stuff that I've been literally holding on to, some stuff for years. And it's just crazy, you know. I'll look at the things and I'll be, oh my god, I haven't used this maybe ever, and I need to let that go, just like Elsa in Frozen would say. So that's kind of my self-care element, I suppose, of my cleaning this month. Do you ever go through stages like that where you just really want to, there's my towels, I'm trying to figure out that, where you just really feel like you need to, I don't know, let go of the literal physical past? That's how I feel. Must be an emotional growth moment. I can't wait to try these on. So I got some cheapy thermal leggings. They are a little bit more transparent than I thought. Well, we'll see if I can wear those while cleaning. So that I could keep wearing leggings, because I love them, but it's a little cold this time of year. So I got this 2-pack, and I'm so excited to wear these. Okay, I'm going to try those on. Maybe I'll do, oh, you know what, Biscuits? I'll do a try-on haul of some of my Homemaker, you know, cozy kind of cleaning outfits that I just wear, my shirts, my tees, and my sweats and stuff. That would be so fun. Okay, remind me, send me a message on Instagram, because I will forget, because I'm a goldfish brain. I will film that next week, because I think that would be so much fun. Okay, yes, I will bring you along for a fashion haul. Did you see my burlesque behind the scenes? With all the fashion haul from that and the photos on my main channel. I did a behind the scenes in downtown Seattle where I did a photo shoot for Patreon, and then I brought you along, kind of gave you a sneak peek of kind of how I styled some of that and what some of the burlesque outfits are. It's fun. I had a good time with it. I loved the photos that came out with it. The photos mainly I can only post on Patreon and on my OnlyFans page, but it was just so much fun to do that photo shoot. I love doing something a little bit different. I always just film right in my home studio, and you know, that's fun too, but it's good to good to jazz things up. I feel like when you're in a creative field, it kind of feeds your inspiration when you're taking care of them. Okay, woohoo! I am getting stuff organized, sort of, vaguely. You know, I'll take vaguely over not at all. Oh my god, I found matching socks. Ooh, we need like, okay, we're gonna put like special, ooh, music, yeah. Matching socks. It's just glorious every time I found matching socks. I cannot help myself. This is how interesting my life has gotten. Oh my goodness. Some of this stuff just was not drying today in the dryer. I don't know why. I'm gonna leave that loosey-goosey so it does. The little toe, that's all. Okay, biscuits. I will finish up this folding and see you in the next video. Okay, I like our little chats because they always inspire me. Time to go get more tidying. We can do it. I believe in us.